Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter 3, The Silly Billy Goats of our Classic Tales book. So, the word silly, the meaning of silly is foolish, and Billy Goats. Billy Goats means male goat, right? So, let's start now. Long ago, when men had not discovered steel, there was a very high and narrow bridge over a river. The bridge was made of wood and had no railing. So, here is a word railing. The meaning of railing is a barriers of steel or iron. Okay, so long ago, it is the story of that time when man had not invented steel, and there was a very narrow bridge which was not very wide, and this bridge was over a river, and the bridge was made of wood, and there were no railings on the sides of this bridge. One day, a billy goat was walking across the bridge. Halfway across the bridge, he met another billy goat. Both stood and stared at each other in the middle of the bridge. One day, when a billy goat, a male goat, was walking across that bridge, and when it was on the bridge, just then he met another billy goat. He met another male goat. They both stood in front of each other and they started looking at each other, and they were in the middle of the bridge at that time. I expect you to move and let me pass, said one. I expect the same from you. Why should I move? Said the other. I was here first, said the first. You are wrong. I was here first. I will not let you pass, said the other. I will not let you pass either, said the first. Now, one billy goat said that I expect you to move and let me pass. He said that let me pass. But the other goat said that I expect from you the same thing. And why should I move from here? You can also move. I was here first. I had come here first. And in this way, they both started fighting with each other. Now, the next page. The two goats started fighting on the bridge. They ran into each other and blocked the way. Each tried its best to apply force and get the other out of the way. Now, here is the word rammed. The meaning of rammed is to crash into someone or something. Then, both the billy goats started fighting on the bridge, and they crashed into each other and they blocked the way. They did not allow each other to pass from that bridge, and each of the goat had tried its best to apply force. In this way, they had started fighting. The goats got angrier and the fight grew fierce. Suddenly, one of them lost balance and fell into the river, dragging the other along with him. The strong current of the river swept them far away from their homes. The two silly goats, if only one of them had been wise enough to give way to the other, they would not have fallen. Now both the gods got very angrier and their fight grew fierce. Fierce means extreme. Now their fight had come to an extreme. Suddenly, one of them lost the balance and fell into the river, but that goat dragged the other one also with him. In this way, both of them fall into the river, and the strong current of the river swept them away with it. Now, both the goats were very silly. They were very foolish. If only one of them had been wise enough to give way to the other, if only one of them had given the way to the other goat, they would not have fallen in the river, and they both would have been saved. Now, the moral is, it never pays to be headstrong. Headstrong means obstinate or strong willed. It means it is never good to be obstinate. So, I hope that all of you have understood this story very well. Thank you and have a nice day.